In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to repeat the last action in Excel. This is a really useful shortcut to know because it can save you time when you're doing the same formatting or edit more than once. Instead of manually repeating the action again and again, Excel lets you quickly apply the last thing you did with a simple keyboard command. To get started, open your Excel file. Once your spreadsheet is on screen, we'll create a simple example so you can clearly see how this feature works. Select any cell in your worksheet and make a change to it. In this example, fill the cell with a color. This works well for demonstration purposes because the result is easy to spot right away. After you apply the fill color, click on a different cell in the sheet. The idea here is to choose another place where you want Excel to repeat the same action you just performed. Now, on your keyboard, press F4. If your keyboard shortcut works as expected, Excel will repeat your last action on the new cell. In this case, the second cell should be filled with the same color as the first one. That confirms Excel has repeated the most recent command for you. If pressing F4 does not work, don't worry. On some keyboards, function keys behave differently depending on your system settings, or they may require an additional key press. In that situation, press Ctrl+Y instead. That shortcut performs the same repeat action in Excel, and in many cases, it's the easier option to remember. Once you use it, you should see the last action applied to the currently selected cell. This feature is especially helpful when you're formatting multiple cells one at a time, applying the same adjustment repeatedly, or speeding through small edits without having to reopen menus. It's a simple trick, but it can make your workflow much faster and smoother. Just keep in mind that Excel is repeating the last action exactly as you performed it, so the result depends on what you did most recently. If your last action was formatting, it will repeat that formatting. If it was another supported command, Excel will try to repeat that instead. And that's it. That's how to repeat the last action in Excel using F4 or Ctrl+Y.